I'm sure you've heard the news. Some birds aren't as innocent as they seem. Let's uncover the top 3 dangerous birds you need to watch out for. First up, the cassowary. This bird looks like a dinosaur and it acts like one too. With powerful legs and sharp claws, it can disembowel a human in seconds. Yikes! Next, we have the southern giant petrel. Don't let its name fool you. This bird is all about the attack. Known for its aggressive behavior, it can swoop down and peck with alarming force. Ouch! Last but definitely not least, the harpy eagle. The claws of this bird are as big as a grizzly bear's. It hunts monkeys and sloths, but imagine what those talons could do to you. Spooky, right? So the next time you see one of these birds, give them the respect they deserve. Stay safe, bird lovers.